sip, sip on something strong, singing. I'm just out here living my best life, yeah. Alright. You know that I'ma do today, like there's no tomorrow. Be cool with everybody now.
We got the boys on the tractor. So what do we want to do? Oh yeah, we always
never very English comedian, like comedian-like.
Comedian.
Is that a word?
Comedianic?
Comedianic? I don't know. I'm not very funny looking, like skilled in English. Is that what you're trying to say?
Well, I don't understand
like
English.
everything I do, it goes downhill for the first 4 seconds. Like the first 4 seconds is good. The rest, terrible. Anyway,
So should we just head? Wait, we could go to the mud holes.
we're not gonna know we got stuck earlier, but trust us, we got stuck earlier.
I did not get stuck earlier.
Yes, you did.
That. Whoa, whoa. Alright, we're gonna hit this hill up here. Let's see, we'll make it. Oh yeah. Like through between the trees and whatnot. Well, bro's already left. Literally, all the way out there. Bro just be gone through there.
Alright, watch me get stuck, everybody.
Bet.
The 8 people who watch the damn video.
Exactly. Oh, I love the cup holder.
Oh yeah, this is where I pull my crap. I'm looking down for the viewers, I gotta tell them something. So, if you want to learn something about me, just know I'm not the greatest human being. So what that means is I do some pretty stupid crap. And like, oh, I should have done that. Oh well. Like, you know, you probably shouldn't go through weird stuff. I tried to fix it all. But I'm all watch this.
Let's get over there and get a better view. This is some dense mud. Oh, he already got out?
Yeah.
That's what I was saying. We could just push him. Yeah, this is some real mud.
I mean, it is pretty wet down here.
Well, there's 3 of us, so as long as not all 3 of us get stuck, we're good.